In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use FigJam for brainstorming. To get started, open your FigJam board and make sure your team is already in the space with you. This is important because brainstorming works best when everyone can contribute in real time. Once the board is open, take a moment to make sure you have enough room on the canvas so your ideas can spread out clearly as the session grows. Next, write the question you want everyone to brainstorm around. Place this prompt at the top of the board so it stays visible throughout the session and gives everyone a clear focus. For example, your prompt might be something like, how can we improve our project? Or what ideas do we have for our presentation? To add this, use the text tool by pressing T on your keyboard. Then click onto the board and type your question. Keeping the prompt visible helps the team stay aligned and makes it easier to generate useful, relevant ideas. After that, start adding ideas using sticky notes. You can press S on your keyboard to create a sticky note, or click the sticky note option from the bottom toolbar. Then click anywhere on the board and type your idea. A helpful rule here is to keep it to one idea per sticky note. That makes it much easier to organize, compare, and discuss ideas later. Continue adding more sticky notes and encourage everyone on the team to contribute their own. The goal at this stage is to capture as many ideas as possible without overcomplicating each note. As the board fills up, begin grouping similar sticky notes together. Simply drag related ideas close to one another so natural categories start to form. This helps you see patterns, repeated themes, and stronger directions emerging from the brainstorm. It also makes the next part of the process much easier. Once your ideas are grouped, it's time to pick the best ones. Review all the groups together and decide which ideas feel the strongest or most useful. You can discuss them as a team by opening the menu from your profile icon at the top, then selecting the headset option to talk through audio. If you prefer written feedback, press C to add comments, type your notes, and mention a teammate with the @ symbol followed by their name. Another option is to vote on favorites by using the timer, music, and voting controls at the top to start a voting session. This is a great way to quickly identify the ideas with the most support. And that's it. That's a simple and effective way to use FigJam for brainstorming with your team.